YouTube. It's good to see you. We are over at a duplex I have, and you can see the patching on the walls back here. We're getting ready to paint. Let me show you the big project that's going on up front. This was a real old house that was turned into a duplex, and the floor joists are getting weak in this front room, and so we are starting the demolition. You see Jason, and we've got a new guy that has joined us. The crew right here is Bobby. Bobby, can you wave? Just wave right there. So that's Bobby. There's gonna be 3 of us now, and you can see this floor right here that we are busting out. So we're going to put new floor joists in, subflooring, all that kind of stuff, and then probably put the luxury vinyl down in here. And these guys are doing it. They just started just a few hours ago. And Jason wanted to give you his Instagram.
Mr. Gupton. Mr. Gupton on Instagram, Mr. Gupton on Snapchat. Hit me up.
So you guys can look him up on there. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, David Farmer. But anyway, I just wanted to show you a little bit about what we got going on here. You'll watch this project here, you know, come along to completion. I know the light is killing the camera because there's windows everywhere. I'm trying to keep you out of that sunlight coming in. But I'm gonna ask you, don't hit Jason up on Instagram and all that stuff between 8 to 5, because I already have too much trouble with him on the phone. And if y'all start hitting him up on there, I won't get any work done out of him. The reason I added another guy is I'm just kind of getting backed up on houses to get to. And I put a Facebook post out a week ago saying I needed some more help. And he responded. I know his dad real well. His dad sells appliances, works on appliances, so he does a lot of the working on my appliances, and that's how I got acquainted with him. So he has that background. Jason has the, you know, selling building materials. He has kind of a working on things background, so I'm kind of getting me a good crew here together. Here before I leave, get this on video. There you go. Here. Oh.